Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to transfer funds to overseas account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection. Once you open up your DBS application, this is what the interface is going to look like. Next, you'll have to log in into your mobile banking account. So you can either use Touch or Face ID or DigiBank user ID and PIN in order to log in into your account. So once you're logged into your account, next tap on Pay and Transfer and followed by Overseas icon. Once you tap on it, next you'll have to select the recipient you wish to make transfer to. So once you've done that, on the other page you'll have to select the fund source, amount, purpose of transfer, and after you're done entering all of the information, tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So once you tap on next on the other page or the last interface, you have to review all of your information or all of your detail carefully, and after you're done, tap on transfer now, which is right at the bottom. So then on the last interface, you'll be notified that the fund transaction has been successfully transferred. In case if you want to send the transaction detail, then all you have to do is tap on share transaction detail, which is right at the bottom, and after that you'll be able to send the transaction detail to the receiver. So that is how you can transfer fund to overseas account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.